Here is how you can add text on your Instagram Reels. So you want to first go ahead and click on the plus icon on the bottom. That's going to bring you over to your post. You're going to go ahead and make a post. We can choose to turn this into a reel. Let's click on the image here. Now you want to click on the add button. So now you can be brought up into this page where we can edit your video. And as you can see at the very top, it's going to have your music icon, the A logo, and all these other logos. You want to click on the A icon. So now you can pretty much text and say whatever you want for your reel. Hello, boys and girls. Whoops. Just like that. Add your text. You can also go ahead and mess around with the font. There's a lot of different fonts to choose from, so you can go ahead and see which one you want to use. Once you have played around with that, you can also change the color of your text. You can change it to all these different colors, so go ahead and choose that as well. Finally, you can also select if you want to have a border, and then as well as some animation if you want. So you can go ahead, play around with all those effects, select the one that you like, just like that, and click on next. And then from here, just add a caption, whatever, share to your friends and share your reel, and then simply upload your reel. And now that is how you add text.